Hi everyone and welcome. Today we have this platform called Involve.me, and this is the best AI powered forms and surveys creating tool. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can get to simply access extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform, so make sure to give it a try. Now, talking about Involve.me, it is an amazing tool because it offers a wide range of templates that it has to offer for different type of forms. You can see if you want to create an AI tool, and these are basically the template types. If you are willing to create different type of quizzes, magazines, legal services firms and stuff like that, everything is available in here. You have your analytics that are going to be displaying your key metrics, like for example your visits, partial submissions, completed submissions, and much more. So everything will be detailed in here nicely. You have your integrations, so it has to offer a ton of integrations, actually a lot of them, and you name it, everything is pretty much available in here. Zapier, Slack, Salesforce, you have your get response and much more. So really great option and integration softwares in here. Now you can also add your coupons for different type of discounts and stuff like that. You have your contacts that you can add. Simply click on import contacts, or you can add them individually as well. So this is really amazing platform in my opinion. Make sure to give it a try, and you can see through the reviews, and it is a really popular all-in-all software. You have your extremely satisfied awesome product developing fun tool for post secondary websites. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below, and you can get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.